Hey guys, welcome back to MojaveKY. Hey, this is going to be a little quick video. Did an installation on some GM aftermarket pedals. I have the automatic, no snide comments, and replaced the brake and the gas pedal, and I think it looks really sharp. Simple to do, not too expensive. So take a look at the install. If you like it, I'll put a description down below on where I bought mine, and if you want to get one as well. Simple, I think it does a nice upgrade to the interior. I've had these quite a while. There's the cover, so that should be pretty easy to just peel on and set on there. This is the whole mechanism. That's really nice. Alright, so power brake. Let's go put those on. This should just pull off, and then the metal's behind it. Just should be the rubber, you know, just like what's on there. And then this one, right here is the screw or bolt. I don't know which one it is. I guess we'll find out. We'll just take that off. And then there's a connector on the side. I'll take this off first. I think it'll probably be easier to get to the connector on the side. We'll unplug that, put the new one in, be done. All right, so let's get this ready to put the new one on. Again, it's just, you know, it just fits on there. So I may use a little silicone to make this a little bit more pliable. We'll see how difficult or easy this is to get on and off. Your touch so soft, not looking for all right, so it's on. I did use a little bit WD-40 and a little bit of Kent, and he could get that last little bit on. Use that kind of plastic tool a little bit to pry the back, just to make it kind of go on. So that's on. Oh, it's just a little rubber. Oh, somehow I thought that was gonna be more challenging. That's right, bro. All right, that was really loose. So let's. Here you go, a little bolt. It's split on there. So there's a couple spots that just kind of slides in to hold itself down into place. So, I'm backing behind here. Guy off right there. Push that up. Yeah, there we go. Just had to go underneath it. Alright, so that just came off. So just pinning right under that. Lifted it once you pull that up. Alright, so we're going to put this guy back in. The two little feet go down in here. We're gonna click this in first. Just remember to push that back down once you got it clicked in. And then we're gonna put the 10mm right there. And it's got a little guide that sits right next to it. So let's just do this up. But somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. And this wasn't that tight, like I said, so I wouldn't go that tight on it either, since GM didn't tighten it that much. See? Those look sharp. All right, and then just get your son. Start it up. Make sure the pedal works. Well, so as you can see, not a difficult install. Actually, Kent's fingers fit on the pedal a little bit easier than mine, so he kind of finished off getting the pedal on. And I did think like either like a little bit of you know, something on there helped kind of get the plastic rubber over the top. As far as like the pedal, the only thing that was strange about the pedal was that kind of 10mm bolt was literally so loose I could almost just undo it with my hand. So I didn't tighten it a lot back just because it was so loose to begin with. I mean, it clips in with a couple feet at the bottom, and then you plug the you know, the connector to the computer up at the top, and then that 10mm bolt. That guy just was loose, so I would say don't tighten it a lot. Just, you know, kind of get it firm. I probably firmed it more than they did, but it was still really loose. Hey, so time certainly has been really busy for us, but I actually have been doing mods and I have filmed them. I just haven't had a chance to edit them yet. So I do have a video for this, right? These got replaced. The blue ones are in the car, but you'll have to come back to watch that video. I also did get for the trunk latch, that one that was too thick and I was kind of having problems with it. He sent me a new one and I put the new one in, so I just kind of filmed an update so you can see what that's like. The winner of the video contest in terms of pick my next mod was the E85. That's there, right? She's running corn, and I'm gonna do a video on that as well, and where you can get it. Obviously that came from Lethal Garage, so you know, Lethal Camaro. Those guys did an awesome job, but I want to do a separate video on that, and then I'll do some kind of videos around, you know, living with E85. It is a little different than just gasoline. Hey, just wanted to say thank you guys from myself and my son. Thanks a lot for the views. Thanks a lot for all the likes. We are now over 1,400 subscribers. That's pretty cool. I can really remember not that long ago when I was like, oh, should we do something for our 50th subscriber? So, like I said, I like the small channel kind of benefits of being able to look at all the questions and respond to you all. We are at 350,000 views now, which I also think is really cool. So, on our way to being a bigger small channel. All right, so thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you soon in another video. Have a good time with your car. I'll have a good time with my car. And in the meantime, keep modding. This ain't no sugar coated